Hello, good day. I am Ayalo Carpe Ganayon. Today, we will tackle about global literacy and multicultural literacy. Global literacy and multicultural literacy are interconnected because they are two essential parts and they build upon one another with a multicultural literacy and serving as a foundation skill for achieving global literacy. So, what is global literacy? Global literacy, it's all about addressing big global issues like globalization, racism, and social justice. It requires a broad understanding of humanity, the planet, and the impact of human decisions on both. So these are the key aspects of global literacy. The first one, cross-cultural understanding. So it appreciates diverse perspective, worldviews, and cultural expressions. The second one, knowledge of global issues. So is staying informed about pressing global challenges such as climate change, power, human rights, and political conflicts. So the third one, communication and collaboration. So working effectively with people from different backgrounds. So the fourth one is critical thinking, analyzing information from various sources and evaluating different point of views and recognizing potential biases. So the last one is global citizenship. It is a sense of responsibility and concerns for others and the planet making ethical choices that contributes to more just and sustainable world. So what is the characteristic of global citizen? The first one, respect for human no matter the race, gender, and religion. Second one, respect for diversity and various perspective. The third one, promoting sustainable pattern of living, consumption, and production. Last, it appreciates the natural world and demonstrate respectful towards the rights of all living things. Let's talk about the multicultural literacy. Multicultural literacy, this is a skill of identifying the creators of knowledge and understanding the diverse ethnic, cultural perspective that shape our world. It's about being able to uncover assumption in what we learn and view knowledge from different point of view. The ultimate goal is to validate and clarify claims that promote a human and just world. We will proceed to multicultural competence. So according to Telford 2000 to 2021 is identified as the knowledge, skill, and personal attributes needed to live and work in a diverse world. So the first one is knowledge. A cultural self, understanding your own cultural background and how it influences your perspectives. The second is diverse ethnic groups. So the third one, it is social, political, economic, and historical frameworks. Fourth one, it is changing demographics. So it is being aware of how populations are shifting and what they means of our community. Diversity implication for career. Diversity implication career, it is the understanding on how diversity impact the academic discipline, career, and professional development. Attributes. So the personal attributes, it has a flexibility. So the flexibility is the ability to respond and adapt to new and changing situation. Respect, then The respect is an appreciation for those who are different from oneself. Like second one is personal attributes. So the personal attributes, it has a flexibility. So the flexibility is the ability to respond and adapt to new and changing situation. So the next is respect. Then the respect is an appreciation for those who are different from oneself. The third one is the skills, cross-cultural communication, teamwork, listening, conflict resolution, critical thinking, language developments, leadership development. It is the ability to provide a multicultural leadership. Global literacy and multicultural literacy are not just academic concepts. They are essential tools to navigating our interconnected world by understanding and respecting our differences. We can work together to create more just, equitable, and sustaining future to everyone. So it is by developing these qualities, we can all become a more informed, compassionate, and effective global citizen.